Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts. This is yet another reading. This is for Earth signs now, and these are June prediction, and there is a love message included, and there are numbers and alphabets and some colors that I think are important for you. This not just this week, but for the whole of June. So this is a June prediction for you guys, and let's see what are the messages for you for June. I'm going to use 4 decks today. That's what I did with the other reading. I started with the water signs, and now it's the Earth signs. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, that's the Earth tribe, and I'm going to do channel messages for you. Sorry, my throat is going a little bad because I've been talking and I've been doing videos, so and reading. So please, you'll have to bear with me. That's why the voice is low. First card is you are good enough, and if it's come reversed, the whole meaning is that you think that you're not good enough, and I think you because this is a Virgo sign, and this is especially for Virgo Earth sign, that you have been having this feeling. I think for the past 8 days, 8 months, something to do with eight number, that you're feeling that you're not good enough, and you have to keep proving yourself. That's the channel message that I get, that why do I have to keep proving myself to show how good I am and I am worthy of somebody or something. And I also get that a few of you said that I deserve more, and it's not justified that I'm getting such so less, in the job or in the business. So guys, you are really good enough, and I think this card should come this way upright when I read it next. And green is a good color for you. Earth is all about grass, about greenery, about mud and brown colors. But I don't know why I want to say this, that green is a fantastic color for you guys. So wear green whenever you can, okay? And that's going to be good for you. Probably green is the color of money, like I always say. So prosperity is on its way. So for Earth tribe, let me see what is the other message for you. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Some adjustments are required. So even if it's a business plan, a partnership, or something in the family or finances, probably this is not the end yet. There is some adjustments required for it to be better, or it to shape out the way probably you want it. And those adjustments, I think, have to come from you and not from the other person. So guys, please make those adjustments and see what's wrong, what's not right. And it's not good to be rigid. I also get a lot of you are going to be rigid, and because Taurus, I want to say Taurians do tend to get rigid, or do tend to get stubborn about things. Guys, I want you not to be rigid, and not to be stubborn, and open up to new things and open up to new ideas. Also listen to others. So if you said something, doesn't mean that's the final thing. Sometimes if you listen to other people, or if you really believe in someone and you listen to that person is going to make sense to you, and I think you will listen. So probably these are the kind of adjustments that are required right now or in your plan. And especially I want to talk to Taurians, because this is a Taur. It says third quarter moon and adjustments are required. So I want to say I feel like I'm talking to Taurians. So guys, always remember this. And the first card also, I felt that I'm just speaking to Taurians. It could be for Capricorn or Virgo, because this is a Earth reading. But I don't know why again and again it's coming to me as a Taurian message. So maybe that's why I said it. And guys, this is a big message for you. Do the required adjustments, and if you do the required adjustments, the outcome is going to be much better, and it's going to be what you always wanted. Let me see what are the other messages for you guys. Let me see what are the channel messages for you guys. What are the channel messages? Nothing will come out of the situation. So only if you make adjustments will things really uh, go your way, come out the way you intended them to me, or whatever was the outcome. I think will change if you make adjustments. So guys, if this card came upright, it says nothing come out of the situation. I think because adjustments are supposed to be made, and if you make the adjustments, then the things can swing into your favor, and things can be done, and there will be something that will come in. Your favor, or you just have to make tiny adjustments. I also don't get the fact that you really have to make big drastic or sudden changes, or totally change the plan, or change plan A to plan B. It's just that if you have a plan A, just do little adjustments to that plan, and then you're good to go, is what I get. Hold your vision. Yes, don't give it up. So the adjustments are required. Once you make the adjustments, everything is going to be okay, guys. Just hold your visions. Right now I'm not talking to just Taurian, I'm saying it for Taurian, Virgo and Capricorn. Those are the earth signs, the earth tribe. So hold your vision. Don't give up on your plans. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your relationship. Don't give up on any friend or any financial situation, and you think nothing can be done to that. Even if it's a financial situation, guys, you can take care of it. And like I said, you can make adjustments and put things right. And if you hold your vision and you don't give up on your dreams, you will fulfill whatever you wanted to, whatever dream you wanted to fulfill. It will become a reality soon. I get the word soon also. I get after 12 days or 14 days, maybe after 2 weeks. It's going to be fantastic for you. It's going to be a great time for you. You're going to make your adjustments. I think this whole week you're going to wait to make adjustments, and that's the time when you will also understand that probably the delay that happened in whatever the relationship or the job or the business or any of that matter was for your good. And guys, remember, this is a general reading, and this is for everybody. So this is not for specific one person, two people. And if it resonates with you, it's fantastic. All the messages. So a few messages might resonate, and one or two messages might resonate depending on what your situation is and what you want to take out from this reading that you're listening to. Again it came. So I was doing the water sign reading, and there were two three cards that came again and again, back again when I was shuffling. And that means this message is very important. Please make sorry, I have a bad throat. Please make adjustments. Don't give up your plans. Even if it's a relationship, please do whatever you can to save it. Guys, I don't want you to give up on anything, because things will happen, and good things will happen. I see money coming in. I don't know if I want to say lot or not, because that was a channel message and I did say lot. So there, it's not going to be a windfall gain, but it is going to be something that really makes you happy. So earth signs, don't give up on your plans is a big message. I'm going to switch my deck. Let me see what Archangel Gabriel cards have for you. Is it a message in a different way? Is it the same message in a different way, or there are different things that Archangel Gabriel wants to know and improve your life or improve the situation, or whatever adjustment amendments are you need to make. So let me see if there is a validation to the messages. Happy news is on the way, but it's come reversed. So whatever you want, guys, will come to you after the adjustments and the amendments, and changing or tweaking the plan a little bit is what I get. So earth signs, keep going. Don't stop, and things will be yours. Just pause to change, not change the plan, to make a little small changes. Like I'm repeating it, but guys, when I repeat a message, it is really have to be given you that way and that many times, so you understand the importance of it. So happy news is on its way. It's just a matter of time, guys. Also get the words must have. There is something that you must have. Maybe that's why you're not going to abandon your plan. You're not going to give up, because even if you don't, have that thing you desire, you're going to make changes, and you will get that thing in the end. I'm saying thing because it could be anything. It could be your job, your business, your relationship. Getting back to a family member in a good way. Probably you have not spoken to each other. There was a fight, and you want to mend things, or probably a little sorry from your side is going to mend things. So maybe that's the adjustment required, is just picking up the phone and saying sorry. I didn't mean to say whatever I said, and I know that it did hurt you, but I want to say sorry for my actions. Open your heart to love. Exactly what I said. Just open your heart to love, and things will fall in place. And I think you've been just closed, or you got hurt by the other person. There is no communication between you two, and I think you just need to communicate, and things will be right, especially in a love situation. When you open your heart, that's the time you receive more love. So guys, I think you need to open your heart. Let me see what are the other messages for you guys. Stay true to yourself. Don't change yourself for anybody. Don't change yourself, but make amendments in the plan. Guys, understand that. If you want to fit into a situation, or you want the other person to fit into your life, anything, stay true to who you are. You are the one who doesn't need correction. I think the whole situation needs to be corrected, and I get a little misunderstanding between two people. So that needs to be created, and you have to open yourself for love, like the other card said. Yeah, the weather is changing outside, and that's how the whole screen is also changing colors. the weather is changing. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's cloudy. So that's why this effect on the video, because I'm sitting next to a window. Sensitivity, very sensitive situation, guys. Handle the situation with care. You are very sensitive, or the person you're dealing is very sensitive, I think. And I think there's an age difference between you two, more than 5, 6 years. So whoever you're dealing with is very sensitive right now, or you are very sensitive, or the situation is very sensitive. Please deal with the situation with care. I don't want any fights, and I don't want the other person not understanding your intention, and something is misunderstood again, and then it becomes a big fight, guys. So remember that. Vision board. I want you to create a vision board. Go to Google and understand what a vision board is. It's normally about your dreams and aspirations and anything that you want to turn into a reality. They're almost your affirmations. If you want to, sorry, if you want to be a football player, you can put pictures of different football players, or you can write I want to be in the football team, and you can put or you can even draw. So it's not necessarily that you need to print and put it. You can even just draw, and draw a t-shirt of a like the t-shirt that footballers wear, or anything, any number that you like, any anything dealing with football. So that's the way you create your vision. Suppose if you want to make more money, so you can just write dollars or rupees or pounds or whatever you want, whichever currency, and you can say, I want to get so many dollars or pounds or rupees this per month, from this job, or I want to get this job. So really believe in what you say. What I always say is, in affirmations, manifestations, intentions, and vision board, they can become a reality. It's only when you feel what you really want to achieve. If you just write I want this, it has no feeling. And if you really feel it, that you living that dream, and it's almost within your reach, and you have it, and you're living that dream, that's the time you'll feel it, and that's the time it will become your reality, guys. Express your inner truth. So the first card was, stay true to yourself, and this is saying to express your inner truth. Say what you're feeling, speak from your heart, tell the other person the exact words you're feeling, and maybe that will mend the situation. Don't say something else. And I don't know why I'm saying this, it's a channel message. Don't say something else, even if you're meaning you wanted to say something and you said something else, and you thought the other person is going to understand. That's not really going to happen. If you want to tell anybody that, hey, let's work on this thing, don't go round in circles. Yeah, I want to say, don't go round in circles telling them. Tell them straight away what you want. Or even if it's from a job, if you're dealing with a boss, or co-worker, employee, anybody, just tell them that I want this project A to be done in so many days. So I'm getting that feeling. Don't leave it so open, where it's open to interpretation, and the other person doesn't know what you're talking about. So that's going to create some kind of a confusion, I'm getting. So I'm going to switch my deck. Let's see what the fairy messages are. I'm going to go slow, otherwise I'm going to get a cough. And I don't want to pause the video, because I have already made the earth sign video 3 times. So even if I cough in the video, please forgive me for that. I didn't want to add that. Purity, it's again the same thing. Be pure, be simple, express what you want to say from your heart, your inner voice. Don't mask anything. Say what you want to say. Tell the other person how you feel. Create vision boards for yourself. Write down your goal very clearly. Maybe it also means very clearly. Purity also means distilling your thought, filtering out what is not meant to be there in your life, and then putting everything together. So purity of thought is very important. Purity in the relationship is very important. If you want to tell something to the person, tell the person in as many words and as clearly as you want. Let me see what are the other messages for you guys. Earth signs, earth signs. Magical gateway. Some kind of a gateway is going to open for you, and it's magical. You're going to get what you want. Just wish it, and things are going to open up to you. Just believe in yourself, stay true, work with purity, with innocence in your heart, and that magical gateway to money, to abundance, to love, or whatever you want will open, guys. Sorry. The whatever you want will open soon enough. So you guys just have to pray not to abandon your dreams. Like I said, don't give up. Believe in magic. exactly after your magical gate is going to open. If you believe in magic, things are going to happen, guys. Just believe in yourself, stay true to yourself, think with purity. I'm repeating these words because these are channel messages, and I want my spirit guides want you to hear this word, that believe in yourself. Believe in magic is believe in the word I. Okay, when you believe in the word I means I, me, myself. When you believe in yourself, then the world is going to open up for you. The magical gateway is going to open up for you, and there is abundance beyond that. And that gate is already half open because I feel you started believing in yourself, in your dreams, in your goals. So just keep that belief in yourself, guys. And when you believe in yourself, then wonderful things happen. Precious time, don't waste precious time. Make use of this time. Don't waste anybody's time. I wanted to say, don't make someone wait for you. If you want to say that you don't belong in my life, say that. If you say you belong in my life, say that. If you say let's start this new thing, this partnership, this job, this relationship, let's start this friendship, so say it very clearly and don't waste time going round in circles, is the message I wanted to give you. Let's see love messages. What are your three love messages? I want to do three love messages. Forgiveness. Got to forgive someone. Or you are really wanting someone to forgive you, but here I get the energy that you have to forgive someone. So somebody's broken your heart, because this is a love message. Somebody's broken your heart or said something to you that you didn't like, and you got really hurt, and I think you need to forgive that person. I think the person is saying that I really didn't mean it the way you the way you took the meaning out of what you thought I was saying. I was saying something else and you took out a different meaning. I'm sorry that what I said was open to interpretation and you interpreted it in the whole way. Let me explain it to you, and this happened this way. So I think you need to forgive someone. It was not their mistake, is what I get. Earth signs, please forgive them. Okay. Two more cards. Two more love cards. Creativity. Use creativity in your love. Say things differently. Tell the person that you love them differently. Some kind of a surprise, some kind of a gesture, something that really they weren't waiting for, and probably you never send them a romantic message. Maybe send them a romantic message. Maybe surprise them with flowers or some kind of a surprise, and something that is not normally how you express yourself. If you express yourself in a different way, they will really love it, and they'll respond to that gesture. Vision. A vision is come reversed, and I want to read it. It says, no matter what, you see the bigger picture of a loving, just universe. So I think forgive the person, see the bigger picture, and see why that person said it. Maybe that person didn't mean it. Maybe that person wanted to say something else. Sometimes we don't use proper words. Sometimes we get the past fights back into our present fights, and the fight becomes really different from what it started. So something vision, you need to know why that person said what the person said to you, and I think you can correct that, and you can make your relationship beautiful again. So those were the love messages. I'm going to give you the colors that are important for you guys in June, and let's see what are the colors important for you. Sorry, I'm going to make that noise that I always do from the crystals. White is good for you. I'm going to hold them out. White is good for you, blue is good for you, and black is good for you. Blacks come in this reading also. I just did a water sign reading, and black has come up. And so black, white, and blue are good colors for you. I'm going to give you three alphabets. Let me see if they make a word also, because in the earth sign they did make a word, and a lot of times they do make a word. And I also give channel messages by putting three words or four words together. So let's see what is your word here. So it's M, E, A are important for you. Sorry, I just put that in reverse. So it's something to do with me. Like I said, me, I is important. M, A, E are important alphabets for you individually or putting together in a word. I just get me. I think me is important. Ma means mother. Ma means mother, and maybe mother is important. Take care of your mother. It is also I am. It is also about believing in yourself, staying true to yourself. So it is also about am, I am. It's also affirmations. I am doing this. I am fine. I am going to improve upon this. So maybe you are required to do affirmations. That's why I got am, and I got me, and that I got ma. So take care of your mother, guys, and see that she's feeling well. So these were your messages, guys, and do subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed the reading. And I'll be back soon with another reading. Sorry, my throat got was not okay. I want to give one fairy message. I didn't use that deck, and I don't know why. Let me see if it's one or two. Fairy spotting. You are guided by the fairies. They are around you. If you spot a feather, know that that the fairies are around you, and they are there. So if at that time you see any angel number, any fairy, that's a validation that yes, the path that you're taking, or whatever the thought was in your mind at the time you saw the feather, or at the time you felt that there is a fairy or there is somebody around you guiding you, or you feel a lot of love, you know that you are on the right path, guys. I want to say that. And thank you so much. So I think I wanted to give that message, and that reading wasn't complete. That's why I had to go back to that message. So thank you, guys. See you tomorrow, and I will be back with another reading. So fire signs left, and air signs are left. So I'm going to complete those readings and upload them. Thank you so much for listening to me. Take care. Bye, guys. Bye.